Okay, right now you can see that I have opened up a Java file. So if I click on here, run Java, now you may notice one thing that it opens up the external terminal and it prints hello world. So how to run your program in external terminal? In order to do that, you have to go to this gear icon. Here click on the settings. Now type Java debug console and it will open up this. Just click on this button right here and select the external terminal. The moment you click on this, now every time you run your code using run Java, then it will open up a new terminal window and it will show you the output. The shortcut key to run your Java code is Control F5. So you can also click Control F5 on your keyboard. That's it. Thank you.